Hey guys, I will show you how to fix this problem on Windows 11 operating system. In the first step, open Task Manager, then click on Run New Task, and on this window click on Browse button. Now select this PC and then open C drive. Then just scroll down and open Windows folder, then open System32 folder. Just double click on it to open it, and then find out cmd file, select it and click on open. Now check this box and click on OK. And once we are here, we need to execute some commands, so type all these commands here and hit enter to execute them. In the first command, type in sfc space slash scan file equal to c:/ windows system32 /iframe.dll and hit enter. Then execute the command sfc space slash verify file equal to c:/ /windows /system32 /iframe.dll. Then hit enter to execute this command, and then type chkdsk space c:/ space /f space /r and hit enter. Once done, type y and hit enter, and we need to type exit to close this command prompt window. After that, simply right click on this icon and select device manager. We need to expand the display adapters. Right click on the particular adapter, select properties, and then go to drivers tab. Select update driver. Make sure you are connected with your internet connection. Then click on the first option and the best drivers will be installed automatically. After that, close all windows one by one, and in the last method, this is very important method, you need to go to search bar, type here disk cleanup and click here to open it. Then select cleanup system files. Then we need to check temporary files as well as recycle bin options, and then click on OK. After that, we need to wait for some time to complete this process. This will take around 4 to 5 minutes. Then restart your system. That's it guys, your problem is solved, you are good to go. Don't forget to like the video and please do subscribe the channel.